A hot topic in the field of linguistics is whether animals have language ability. We often think of ourselves as the only species with the ability to use language, but are we? Of course, if animals do have a language, we know it's much different than ours, but how different is it?
There are 7 major features of human languages. 1. Semanticity. We have symbols that represent meaning. For example, BIKE is a symbol for a bike. 2. Arbitrariness. There is no necessary connection between a symbol and its meaning. For example, BIKE does not look or sound like a bike. 3. Discreteness. Each linguistic unit has a specific meaning. For example, when I add an S to a bike, it makes it plural. 4. Duality of patterning. Our brain comprehends both the meaning of the individual word and the meaning of the word within the sentence at the same time. For example, when I say the boy runs, you understand what that means, and at the same time you know what a boy is. 5. Generativity. We are able to create an infinite amount of sentences from a finite set of vocabulary words. For example, all of the sentences I have said so far have probably never been spoken before, and I'll probably never say them again. 6. Displacement. We can describe things that aren't in the present time or place. For example, I can clearly tell you about the experience I had as a child on vacation, and you will understand that it is not happening here and now. 7. Recursion. Most importantly, humans have the ability to embed one phrase within another phrase. For example, I know what John said that Kelly knew about the other day.
Now let's take a look at what animals can do. Bees have surprising communication ability through an act called the waggle dance. Whenever a bee finds a food source, it returns to the hive and performs an elaborate dance that communicates how much food there is, how far away it is, and which direction it is compared to the sun. All of the other bees watch and then follow the direction to the food source. This type of communication checks some boxes, but definitely not all of them.